Morning, lads and ladies. Today is the day where I film my last episode. Yesterday, yesterday I filmed a whole video for an hour and a half, coming up to 2 hours long. Um, and I got to the end of the video and realized I didn't press record. So I fucking lost the whole thing. Uh, no, I was pretty pissed off about that. So yesterday I completely left my computer alone. I wasn't in the mood to look at my charts. I wasn't in the mood to speak. Um, yeah, yesterday weren't really a good day, to be honest. It was not really a good day. But it's done. Today is a new day. We will not continue that, you know, the negative vibrations. Um, one sec. Let me just uh, so yesterday when I filmed the video, I entered a trade, which you lot are never gonna see because that video is now gone. But the trade was on Euro USD, yeah. We started off okay. We was falling, we fell, we came down about 25, 30 pips. Until we reacted to a London. We're reacting to a London high right now and a London low, and we're in London, so it makes sense. But yeah, this London low, um, it's just causing me a bit of not really a headache, but the setup doesn't look clean. We've also come back to break even, so I've taken the trade as a break even trade, no wins, no loss. But now I'm just monitoring price action because even though we can't beat this London low here, which I'm going to show you on the charts, we also have a US high, which it can't seem to beat either. Like it's come up above it once, but instantly came straight back down, touched the London low, and now it's come back up to that US again. And now we've just had a 15-minute like nice candle with hardly any wick just closed straight beneath it. Which I'll pull up on the charts right now. So starting off with then Euro USD. Okay, we'll start with this pair. Oh shit, didn't need to do that. So as you can see, we're falling, it's doing well, it's doing well. Then we come to this morning, roll over London session, wick, 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 pull away, pull back in, wick through again. Now we're bouncing from here to here at the moment. And this is the candle that's just formed. See how it's come into it, and this one's instantly brought it back beneath. So this is the original setup. That's the original setup. We just delete this. Yeah, I kind of just want to wait, I'll be honest. I'm not happy with the way it's rounded, with the bodies come away from it, and then with the wick again. We've just completely rejected this area. Um, so I guess for me to sell this pair again, I'd need a solid. So I have a feeling we got US highs up here, US highs. All right, so lads, I think that Euro USD could do this because we haven't left this area. We didn't leave. There was no momentum. Um, Maybe that wasn't the place. And I think because of the way it's acting now, got the punch, 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 big push, pull back. We could be getting a pull into this US session up here. Yeah. And then after we reach this zone, we will be looking for um, rejections. The way this is going now, I don't believe it's going to fall. It shouldn't do. If it was going to fall, I reckon it would have fell already, which makes me think this is just, it's going to find the US session again, the way it's done here and here. Um, and this was also a London high. So we've got three US highs and a London high. Sorry, lads, 1 sec. I just don't want it to round off and go from here. That would just be proper annoying. But like, you see the way it's pulled up with big force and then instantly pulled back beneath it. Now we're wicking. You know what I'm going to do with this? I'm going to give it one more chance for this sell opportunity here, yeah? And I'm going to wait 7 minutes. If we get this candle body right here, if we get this body closed beneath this area, I'll enter for a sell. Um, yeah, I'll enter for a sell in 7 minutes if we can get the candle to stay below. And then my stop is going to come above here. Very tight stop loss. 5 pips. So if it's wrong, it's not going to damage me at all. And then I can just, if this doesn't pull through and I get stopped out, um, I can knowingly wait that it's going to come up here. And then, Euro USD. We're just gonna sell the market. We shall sell it. So look, minor. All right. So I'm gonna set my I'll give it 10 pips breathing room. So if I lose, probably lose £3. Um, which isn't deep at all. Modifier. PP, let's go to the daily. 1.08. 1.08363 is my take profit. And then stop loss. 1.08983. Modifier. So now that's set. Whatever happens, happens. I literally don't give a fuck. Gonna come off of that. If I get stopped out, then like I told you, I'm gonna wait for price to come up to here and re-enter. Okay. So boom, look, I've got that. Oh, you can't see shit. Can you like? There we go. The red one is the Euro USD. Wait, it's not. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But yeah, you get the gist. Right. Next pair. GBP AUD. So I'm in this trade right now, and I entered this at 2 a.m. last night. Literally like fucking 2:30. 2:30 in the morning. I was awake. Don't ask me why, because I don't know. Um, damn. Whatever happens, happens. But 2:30, I'm awake. I was looking at the charts, and I'm seeing all of this daily region just getting pure rejected. One, one, two, three, four, five, and then so I've seen this be formed at 2:30, and I thought, fuck it, I'm just going to enter because of the way it rejected. I've entered, boom, price instantly brings me up into profit. And then I went to sleep, woke up this morning at like 9 o'clock, and we're up here floating. We are floating, lads. How many pips? We're 60 pips in profit. Okay, so now managing this trade, I'm 60 pips in profit on a 0. 0.03 lot size. So I'm £12 up right now. I can modify this. Modify that, yeah. Set my stop loss down here. 1.89972. 1.89972. So now what this means, yeah, is that my trade is completely risk-free. I cannot lose on this trade. If this chart comes back against me and comes down to here, it will stop me out in profit by a couple quid, and I will not lose. And yeah, we're halfway through, so we're 60 pips up. Yeah, halfway through the setup. I could take some partials, but we're on a 0.03 lot size. I wouldn't really. Maybe it's just me, but I'm not down for doing that. But yeah, this is looking pretty decent. We do look as if we're gonna come and touch this daily high up here. And we have rolled over phenomenally, which means there could be some juicy momentum in this move. Or, lads, we get stuck in this downwards thing here, GA comes melting back. Help me. Hopefully that don't happen. But yeah, 60 pips up on this trade. Um, and yeah, not really much else to say. The reason I entered is because we had one from Monday at 4:30 in the evening. We had rejections. So one, two, and even all of this, all of this. So for a whole day, we just rejected this low. And because of the amount that I've traded GBP AUD, I've seen how sometimes it can do massive moves in the morning at like 2:30 a.m. because of the because of the Asian session. It can sometimes move in the morning as well whilst I'm sleeping. So yeah, I just literally used my common sense, seen all of this rejection to my daily low, and it was quite a simple decision, really. It was quite a simple decision. The fact that we also had this high come up here as well, taking out this area. We've had a pullback. No new lows were formed at all. No new lows were formed. So I've just taken that and yeah, just entered the trade and now we're up. Pulling back a little bit. We could see a little touch this daily and a continuation. But there is money up here, lads. There's money up here. We've got this liquidity area that coincides with my daily high. It's 4-hour zone. Then we've got another 4-hour zone up here where money can be drawn into, and same for up here. We could potentially be in for a move all the way up to here, lads. At least 1.92 thousand, at least. At least. So yeah, that's GA, boys and girls. That is running in profit as well. Gold. I literally entered this before the stream. I woke up obviously because I had them trades running through the night. So I've woken up, looked at my charts, and I've seen gold on the 15-minute. I've seen gold obviously pull down, pull beneath this, reject off of these areas here. This is a beautiful zone. One sec. It's rejected off of this region. We've come and pulled that perfectly, pulled straight back away, 3-pin pattern, and then we've come straight back above this region with a retest into it. Yeah. And then a nice little, like, what could you say? Like a type of order block where it's pumped it and then bought it with back above, dojied, back above, now higher. So what I'm expecting from gold is a push past this daily region. Gold is capable of murdering, so I could be completely wrong. It could just sink out of the sky for no apparent reason if it wanted to. The target is a bit 20 pips for 300 pips. Bit of a swing trade, this one. But if you look at this beautiful price action here, gold is due to come up quite a lot. We've been waiting for this bull move for a while. So this 300 pip range isn't really a long shot like that. It's not really, it could happen, could well and truly happen. That's what I'm going to say for sure, mate. Gold can well and truly come all the way up here with ease. I mean, look how it fell all the way down here. That's a bigger move than what I'm expecting here. So yeah, patience, lads. We're in this trade as well. Small lot sizes. It's the funded challenge. I can only risk a certain amount per day. I think it's like I can only get a certain percentage of drawdown is like 4%. And I can only lose 5% or something like that. So the margins, they're quite tight. I don't have much room to over leverage. But I kind of like it because it keeps me in control. So yeah, I've seen this when I've woken up. I've entered it because of the way it's come back above this time session, which is one sec, lads. Asian. So yeah, it's just London. Literally London. This box. 1 second. So maybe I may have entered a bit in a risky place. But either way, I've got do I have a stop loss on gold? Shit. No stop loss on gold right now. So we live a life on the edge, lads. Fuck it. Now I ain't even got a stop loss. I literally entered the trade and then jumped on the stream. Imagine. Mm. Gold's gonna work with me. I can feel it. It's gonna work with me. But like I said, small stop loss, small lot sizes, so it can't stress us, lads. We're good. We're actually good. 19. 1924 target. We're not gonna set a TP. I want to manage it as we're going. As we're going, lads. Euro USD has just gone back into minus. It was in prof. See, look, it just came all the way down here again to that time session, and now we're instantly rejecting it. Yeah, look. Let's look. The way this broke, look, it's even come lower. Even come lower. We pulled up, we didn't come nowhere near up here. Pulled down again. But there's no, we didn't break, we didn't come. So I reckon, boys and girls, we could be in for this US session up here. It's not looking like it wants to move right now, lads. Yeah. Right, cool. Take me out then. Come on, lads, you can watch this live with me. Take me out. Take me out of the trade. Wait for that to take me out. Golden GA is still running nice. Euro JPY, the setup that we had been stopped out. They made a huge wick. Look at that. Horrid. Horrid. Absolutely horrid. Get off of this, man. What? GBP USD as well. Ah. So, remember yesterday, boys, when we was up here, I entered a little trade, but it was bad timing, so I closed it instantly. Um, but yeah, we've pulled up to this region, now we've pulled back into the daily low. Um, and if you can see in between all this noise, we've been breaking beneath, back above, wick, break beneath, back above, break beneath, straight back above. So this is the third time now where price has come beneath that low and smacked above. Could we be pushing up? It's a continuation. Or is the move done? But this GU move was decent though. From here to here, 64 pips. Even though our target is up there, we're gonna leave it. Um, yeah, I won't place no trades on this pair. We'll just let it go. And literally just let it rally up. It's not a problem. We're not trying to miss out, you know what I mean? We're not scared of missing out. Euro AUD. Still not pushing. This pair's fucking long, mate. Absolutely long. Been watching this for about 10 years. 28th of June. When was that? It's the 5th of July. That was like 8 days ago. Oh, so boring, this pair. So we're still waiting for Euro AUD to come into our rollover area. GU, we're not touching. Euro JPY, we're also not touching. Euro USD, we've been knocked out yet. We're still in. We ain't been pumped out yet, but it does look like it's going to happen. I want to get used to not closing my trades. I want to get used to just letting them run. Like, even if it loses, it don't matter. Because like I have a bad habit of when I see my setups not flowing, I just automatically want to shut it. But it shouldn't be like that because I know sometimes it can jibber jabber and then go your way. And I just got to be patient, I guess. Yeah, we're not out of G. We're not out of Euro USD yet. We are not out of it yet. I need gold to just, if we can get gold to fly up here, that'll be nice. But GA, I'm officially risk-free. Beautiful. So, yeah, yesterday was a very frustrating day for me. Lots of stuff just went wrong. Small stuff as well. Pure inconvenience and headaches. But we good though. We lost a good video, but we make up for it today. We make up for it today. You lot have managed to get some live trading. I got three positions. You can't see. Like, why can't it just show you? Like, this is very frustrating. But yeah, there's three positions. One for gold, one for GA, one for Euro USD. And that is how it's gonna stay. Oh, not what I need. And I think, to be honest, lads, I think for the last episode, ooh, why does that now look very bearish? Huh. Yeah, I don't even want to force it. I know it's the last episode in that, but I still don't want to force it. We got three trades running. Um, I've explained them. Let me write some notes. Let me write some notage. So we got gold, 2p Euro, USD. I'm literally just noting down my trades. Gold is 0.03, 0.03. Euro USD, man, just sink. Sink for me, Pappy. Just sink. Make me feel good. But it is definitely gonna come up to here. It just don't want it. It doesn't want it. Literally, for my own sake, I'm not gonna close the trade. I really want to. I really do want to close the trade, but I've got to learn. I've got to put myself through it to learn. So it's one of them ones. We are gonna watch this trade come up here, take me out. Then it's gonna come up to this region up here and roll the fuck over. If it don't roll over, then not that deep is what it is. Well, yeah. Gold was. Why did I end up gold? We had Okay. Risking 20 pips. It was risking 20 pips, but it's now. That is now break even. Not break even, sorry, risk free. And then we got Euro USD as well, risking 10 pips. All right, cool. So yeah, that's that, lads. The last episode of my month marathon. We've entered 3 trades. We've got the ball rolling, feeling good. And now it's just a matter of everything, all of this energy that I've channeled throughout the last 30 days, not 30 days, pretty much 60. But all of the energy, all of the, the focus that I've put in, now I just have to watch it unfold onto the charts. Now, the videos won't be coming up every day like they were, but I'm still going to be on the charts. I'm going to be part of my trading group called Forex Genie. That is the community that I first learned how to trade with. If you're watching this for the first time and you want to learn, a good recommendation for you is Forex Genie. I repeat, Forex Genie. Yeah, it's just a good community. My mentor, Melissa, she's great. A couple other like-minded people in there, they're great as well. And yeah, it's just a good space for a trader that's coming up, especially. It's a good little space. So I'm going to be active with those people. I'll be making maybe one video a week, just covering everything that I'm doing. And yeah, it's time to really hone in with myself now and put everything that I've practiced to paper and get some results. This year is about transitioning. I am currently going through a transition. Just take me out, man. Hurry up. I'm setting the foundations. I'm setting the table. You know what I'm saying? Everything's getting organized. And listen, just don't sleep on me in it. Just watch the space. Watch the space. Just please don't sleep on me. I've got 3 positions running. I can't enter any more trades. Okay, guys and girls, thank you for watching me again. This is the last video, episode 30. It's been an absolute fucking pleasure. And I guess I will see you in the next video that I post. Until then, love, peace, and guidance. Stay blessed. Peace.